Good day and welcome. I'm Rick, a man of history and your guide to the past. If you follow my work, you might have noticed I've been pretty quiet recently, and there's a few reasons for that. Partially, I've been concentrating on my thesis, which is now starting to be written, which my supervisor tells me might actually be quite good. Part of it is that I've moved house, and you'll see my new kitchen once I do my next cooking video, which is planned. And part of it is I've been having technical issues with recording outside, particularly with sound quality. And that's all come together as to why I am here in my new office. Anyway, I wanted to get back into the saddle and get some more content recorded. So I thought I'd not just plan on doing more videos and continuing the plays I've already begun, though I do plan to do that. Instead, I would start another one because there is nothing like reacting to being really busy, like adding in more work. However, rather than videos of 10 or 15 minutes in a linked theme, I'm planning on a series of short videos with no single topic, but instead being a series of history shorts, where I'll introduce a fact or an event or a person or a thing, but only briefly, to give a sort of a taste, an insight, revealing a short moment or element of the past in just a couple of minutes. Now, I've got some plans already. Mostly they're linked to a series of live video calls I'm going to be having with schools, with people learning from home, and with clubs, mostly club and brownie groups. And if you're interested in that, get in touch. I can see what I can do. Anyway, this is because I'll already have interesting things prepared, things to say, and also some fantastic reproduction or historical artifacts ready to show. And you can see some of them behind me. But if there's something you're particularly interested in, an event, a person, an artifact, whatever it is, whatever part of our shared past you'd like me to direct some light on, please get in touch and let me know. Meanwhile, you can follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram to find out what I'm getting up to. If you like this video, or if you found it interesting, or you'd like me to do this series, please like it, or comment, or share it. And if you'd like to join me again in the past, please do subscribe for more. Until next time though, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.